The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is already preparing for the first ever BARM parliamentary elections to be possibly conducted this year. This comes after the Senate's approval of the second reading for resetting the said election in September. Luisa Erispe has the full report.
I move that we approve it on second reading. Close the period of amendments, Mr. President.
Hearing no objection, the period of amendments closed on 1823.
The Senate has approved on second reading the bill proposing to hold the first ever parliamentary elections in the BARM this coming September. This marks the fourth time the parliamentary elections has been postponed since 2022. Can be recalled that the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, stated it could not conduct the BARM elections originally scheduled for March this year, as the BARM government recently passed a law establishing new parliamentary districts in the region. But before passing the second reading, the bill's sponsor, Majority Leader Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, introduced an amendment. Once enacted into law, instead of waiting for the usual 15 days, it will be implemented immediately to give the COMELEC sufficient time to prepare for the elections.
Delete the phrase 15 days after and replace with immediately upon. And the provision will now read as follows. Section 9, effectivity. This act shall take effect immediately upon its publication in the official gazette or in a newspaper of general circulation.
Meanwhile, COMELEC is requesting an additional 100 million pesos in funding from Congress to prepare for the upcoming elections.
Kailangan ng budget. Kailangan ng budget para masigurado ang guro ay may sapat na honoraria, para masigurado may sapat kaming kagamitan, at para masigurado ang botante ay makakaboto ng maayos.
Reportedly, the Bangsamoro government has made several changes to the conduct of the elections. COMELEC will allegedly go back to zero regarding the accreditation of political parties and sectoral organizations. Furthermore, ballots could potentially stretch to 1 meter in length, or 2 ballots may be issued per voter, as the ballots per district representatives and political sectoral organizations will be separated.
Yung pong mga tinatawag nilang sectoral organization, sa halip na merong asambleya, ang bawat isang sektor ay ihahalal na po directly ng mamamayan. Napakalaking pagbabago po yan, at binaliwala rin po ng parlamento yung lahat ng mga na-accredit na ni COMELEC na mga political parties at saka yung mga sectoral organizations.
For now, the COMELEC says it is ready, but it will intensify its voter information campaign in BARM to ensure all voters can cast their ballots correctly. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.